Alright, so I made 740 today, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I made that, and my exact strategy behind it, and also how I scan stocks, find these stocks through screeners, and yeah, pretty much scanners, and what is my confluences, and what is my strategy behind it. But with that being said, let's get started. Alright, with that being said, let's get started on how I find these stocks. So, what I do is I go on Google, and the first screener I use is Finviz. It should be a well-known screener, but I go on Finviz, and then I go to groups, and then from here you guys pretty much look at the 1 week performance and the 1 month performance, and you guys see like the similarities and which one pops up the most. Right now, as we can see, is technology, so that's what we're gonna look at. We don't usually look at the 1 day performance because anything that's 1 day might not be good the next day, so we don't want to look at the 1 day performance. But you guys also want to look at trends. So trends should be like something like AI. So like the AI whole entire trend was you guys pretty much play AI stocks, and these stocks couldn't are are Nvidia, Meta, Google, or so on and so forth. And yeah, so you guys want to play by the trend, because that's where all the volume is at, that's where all the traders at, and that's where all the money is at, because it makes new all-time highs and break out constantly, because that's where the strong momentum is at. But if there's no trend, then you guys just look at the 1 week performance and the 1 month performance. But with that being said, let's click on the technology. All right, so from here you guys gonna have the descriptive whatever, but you guys want to go to price, and you guys want to go to over 50, because we don't want any stocks that are low in price. And then you guys want to go to market cap. Over 2 billion is my recommendation, but you guys can click any. And then average volume, this is the most important one. You guys want to click over 500k, because anything that's low volume will most likely be trapping you in, because if it has a good setup but no volume and you guys get in, you guys are gonna be trapped in there, so it's gonna be hard to get out. All right, so next thing is you guys want to go to technicals, and then you guys want to go to 20-day simple moving average. You guys want to press price cross SMA 20. This is similar to EMA, but from here you guys just look through all of these charts and see which one speaks out to you, and which one gives you guys the best setup. And then you guys confirm it with TradingView, and yeah. All right, but with that being said, the second scanner I use, or screener, I use on TradingView. TradingView has its own screener, and surprising enough, it's probably better than Finviz. I'm not gonna lie. So let's get into what the fuck. All right. To go on the screener for Finviz, or for TradingView, you guys want to click plus, and you guys want to click screeners. You guys want to click stocks, and then I have the saved stock screener already, but my settings are price 3 above or equal to value, and then my change is 0.01% above day and value, and then market cap 2 billion and over, and then EMA have it as 21 below price, EMA 8 below price, EMA 50 below price, and yeah. And then from here you guys want to click on the chart view. You guys want to click on area, and then you want to click on candles. You guys want to click on 3 months, because that's where the daily chart is at. And then from here you guys just look through all of these and see which one speaks out to you the most. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for scanning your swings. But let's get straight on this strategy. This is a strategy I use for both my day trading and my swings, and it's pretty profitable. For my day trading, I have a win rate around like 91%, while my swings are 70%, which is pretty good. But you guys also want to learn how to manage your risk, because anything that's taking away your profits, and yeah, so you always want your wins to be more than your losses. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how I made around 50% today. I could have made 80%, but I was not holding it. But you go to the stock that you see is good. So here I had Meta set up. My my thing was I had it consolidating, and I saw that before there was a high amount of volume, which increases, and then as time went by, it started slowing down on volume, and that created the consolidation. And with this, it bounces up and down around this area, and then I played the breakout. So I didn't exactly get into here, but I got into here because I knew that the breakout was still happening, and I knew that volume's gonna increase sooner or later, and I was correct. As you can see here, it bounces up, and I made 50% of that. Could have been 80, but it's whatever. Green is green. But my other example was Broadcom. Over in Broadcom, my whole entire thing was fuck. My whole whoops. My whole entire thing was all right, is it good? All right, my whole entire thing was same thing, except it's in a tightening wedge. So my strategy for here is that I saw it increasing in volume, and the volume is like really high, and then it started slowing down on volume, which is creating this tightening wedge. And you can confirm this by, you can see this by the high volume is above the area, and then the low volume is below the area. And I created this wedge, and then I pretty much got in around here, and then I played for the breakout. But you guys also always want your confirmations to be like high volume breakouts, because if the volume is low in breakouts, or if the breakout is low in volume, then the likelihood and the probability of that volume going back down is pretty high. So you guys want a high volume breakout, and these are pretty much your confirmations. You guys want high volume follows up with tightening or low volume, and then you guys also want high volume breakouts, tightening and wedge, or consolidations, and then you guys also want to find your buys. To find your buys for swings, you guys would look at the daily and the weekly to find your buys, and right here is a bullish trend, so you guys want to play on bullish breakouts. For day trading, you guys look at the daily, and then if the candle is green, you guys want to play bullish breakouts for a 5-minute time frame, and then if it's a red candle on that day, then you guys want to play a bearish breakout. But with the day trading, you guys want to look at the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily to all confirm your buys, and that's how you should do it. But with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys how to exactly get this area, this white area. You guys want to go to volume, and then you guys want to go to settings. You guys want to go to style, and then you guys want to click on this right here. Click on the area, and then click on your color. Click white, and change your transparency to around 36. I have it around 36, and then this pretty much helps you determine if it's high volume or low volume. Anything that's over the area, then it's high volume. Anything that's under the area is low volume. So that's pretty much my whole entire strategy, and it's as simple. It's none of that bullshit as ICT or silver bullet that you guys see on TikTok. It's as simple as that. Trading is as simple as that. This all depends on your mental state. It's all mental mind, and as long as you guys see your setup, then you guys play it. Just do know that be patient, and yeah, this shit is fucking easy. But with that being said, we'll end off the video here, and I'll get you guys back with another video. Bye.